Hello everyone, welcome back to Chim Sneaker. And today I will bring to you an on-time classic from Adidas. Guess what? As you all know from the title already, so I will show you the Adidas Superstar with the black colorway, which is an icon and is an on-time classic from the Adidas brand. So here is our sneaker. So I will bring for you to see a little bit closer in pair. Yeah, this one. And surprisingly, I purchased this one on the sale Adidas with only, I believe, like $25, which I believe is super like stealing price for this particular model. So let's have a quick look. The main material of this one are the two materials, leather in the upper part and plastic in the midsole and outsole part, also in the toe box. So with this sneaker in the upper part, the toe box, it has a very like famous shells like toe box. Yeah, you can see from here. And the other part from the upper is made by leather. So it is a little bit shiny. And in this particular model, it has like 3 stripes in white colorway. I know the more popular one with this model is the one with white colorway and black stripe. But this one I think is far more practical comparing to that model. And in this sneaker, the logo on the tongue and the Superstar is also in the gold color, which makes it look very shiny under the sun. And the sneaker from Adidas have very good cushioning. So even though this one from the fashion line is not the sport line, but the cushioning is super good, and you can feel the comfortable in the neck area of the shoe and also in the tongue of the shoe. And with this colorway, the midsole and outsole are also in black, and that help preventing this one from getting the stain and dirt. Because I have already seen in a lot of videos that whenever you wear the white version of this one and you get stain in this part, they have to relin and then repaint it, which I feel a little bit irritating because I'm not a big fan of repainting sneaker. So with this model, it will help you prevent that possibility to happen. And also, because this is a very classic sneaker, there is not many things to say or to show, but I will check out the insole a little bit. So here is the insole of this model. You can see it is very basic insole with very thin plastic material. And yeah, I think that's basically what it is for this model, which is very basic but also very stylish and iconic for Adidas. So hope you enjoy my video and see you again in more interesting content of Chim Sneaker. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.